If your Infiniti QX80 is refusing to connect to Apple CarPlay, follow these steps to restore your connection. Statistics show that 8 out of 10 CarPlay issues are solved by simple software resets instead of expensive hardware repairs. Let us break down the troubleshooting process into clear, actionable steps. Start by checking your cable, toggling your Bluetooth settings, and ensuring Siri is enabled while the device is locked. Often, an outdated iOS version or a corrupted infotainment cache prevents the handshake between your phone and the QX80. Try removing the device from your Infiniti settings and deleting the car profile from your iPhone before attempting a fresh pairing. If these software steps fail, you may be looking at a physical USB port failure or an internal head unit defect. As shown here, the vast majority of connectivity issues are traced back to faulty cables rather than the car itself. Check for debris in your charging ports and test with a different device to determine if the fault lies with your phone. Keep compressed air and spare certified cables in your glove box to rule out the simplest points of failure quickly. Remember that patience during a full system reboot is often the most effective diagnostic tool you have. If you're still stuck, consult your dealer for a firmware update or hardware inspection. Thanks for watching.